I've never taken a steroid in my life. This body is built naturally.
If every lad has hopped on the roids, aka the Sazul, then who is frickin' natural? Probably Deon De Silva, because that dude has one in a gazillion genetics. Just look at Kai Green, Davy Lee Priest, 15-year-old Connie Rollman, and young Jay Cutler. They were most likely natty back then. Young, natty, Deon's physique and genetic potential are right up with theirs. Like, brother, imagine what would happen if he even smelled the Sazul. He would go full final boss mode. But there is this one frickin' thing that makes the whole situation kind of extra fishy, and that's Deon De Silva's HSF blood report. The substance detected goes by the name estradiol 3-deoxy, and the method used was standard liquid extraction method. But what is estradiol 3-deoxy? It is basically a non-natural derivative or a synthetic derivative of the hormone estradiol. Standard estradiol is a naturally occurring human hormone. However, 3-deoxyestradiol is not a known or major natural human metabolite. Its presence in the goddamn blood sample clearly indicates the administration of exogenous substance, which basically means Deon might have popped in Sazul or steroids into his frickin' butt. In anti-doping, the detection of a synthetic steroid or a derivative that's not a normal human metabolite is a powerful indicator of the use of a prohibited substance, often an anabolic androgenic steroid or a frickin' designer steroid. Designer steroids, aka covered compounds, are structurally altered compounds which are basically designed to evade a drug test, or they might be precursors that go into your frickin' body because you inject them and they convert into a known or unknown banned substance. So all anabolic androgenic steroids and their frickin' metabolites and derivatives are a frickin' 100% banned by WADA at all goddamn frickin' times. So when there is an unknown metabolite or derivative like 3-deoxyestradiol that is found in your frickin' blood sample, it means that you have taken a banned substance. Since 3-deoxyestradiol is not a natural human substance, it might serve as a biomarker for the use of anabolic androgenic steroids or a frickin' designer steroid, and this is just my hypothesis. The time has come where I end my science-based yap session, but I personally think that Deon De Silva is a natural bodybuilder. But why? Because he has been training since the past decade. I think he has been training around 13 frickin' years, and the amount of muscle he has gained follows the natural blueprint. During his newbie phases, he has gained a ton of muscle, which is possible naturally, and then the muscle gains have tapered down, and that's freaking natural. But I cannot bet my mom's house to prove this because I might be wrong and I might go freaking bankrupt. At the end of the day, if all are injecting steroids into their freaking butt cheeks, then who is natural? Probably Mike O'Hearn, because he's the last Chad Natty Dennis. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन